Hey guys, today I will tell you one best investment advice ever through a small short story. Let's go.
The 24-year-old young man just out of college, his gentle smile exudes warmth and charm, instilling confidence in his abilities poised for greatness, brimming with determination and potential, ready to leave his mark on the world. Soon he gets a job with his abilities in a reputed company. He informs his mother about his achievement. His mother possesses a face that reflects a life rich with experiences, marked by the gentle grace and wisdom that comes with age. As they share a meal, she recounts her journey of investing in oneself or self-investment as a homemaker, emphasizing the importance of continuous learning, that is investment in oneself besides investing money in mutual funds, real estate, gold, etc. She advised him to invest in himself, continuously learning and acquiring new skills even after getting a job and earning good money. She recounts at this age, she still has a strong desire to learn new things and acquire new skills. She advises her son to view everything he does or enjoys as an opportunity to learn and not just a task to complete. She emphasizes that she has taken up painting, attended cooking classes, written a book, and even tried her hand at e-commerce. It took some time for Ethan to absorb what she was saying. He quickly understood that continuous learning does not stop even after getting a job or when one starts earning money. Inspired by his mother's wisdom, he attends workshops and seeks mentorship, takes online courses to expand his knowledge in whatever interests him after he is back from the office and in his spare time. He makes a point to invest in learning 1 hour daily. After many years, one day he unexpectedly loses his job due to unforeseen circumstances. Feeling lost and worried about his future, he suddenly recalls his mother's advice on developing skills. He begins to analyze the skills he has learned over the years and ways to capitalize on them. He starts an online service based on his acquired skills and what he believes he is good at. Slowly and steadily, with the help of his friends and wherever help he could get, he gains momentum. He is now attracting and satisfying more clients with his services. He is excited the world is filled with opportunities and works harder for it. She is filled with happiness and gratitude as she watches her son grow and achieve his goals. Finally, she can relax knowing that the values of investing in oneself that she instilled in her son have taken root, and that a legacy of learning will continue to flourish for generations to come. Personal Finance Manifesto Number 1. Investment in yourself. It is recommended that you allocate 10 to 15% of your salary towards investing in yourself. This can include personal development, skill acquisition, and growth. The skills you gain will provide you with opportunities to generate multiple sources of income. Remember to never stop learning and never underestimate the value of education and learning. No matter the cost, this will be your best investment decision ever.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. For more videos and advice on personal finance, follow Personal Finance Manifesto. Thank you.